Hi guys, I'm back for try number 4 on the Dutch pour. Yeah, I haven't given up yet, and I won't give up either. I have thinned out my paint a lot. It's really runny now, and I hope it's enough. I have no idea. I have diluted it with plenty of water, so I have water. I have already put down the base coat on my canvas, and I did that because I wanted to try out my hairdryer. So now I have made my DIY thingy, because I did think that my nozzle that I had wasn't really very good. Actually, I didn't get the air where I wanted it, so I have been trying a little bit, but only with the white. I haven't tried with the blue yet, or the gold. So here we go. We'll try again, and then we'll see what happens. And I think I'll do this first, and then I'll put in the blue. Okay. I will put in the gold. That might be a little thick still, but yeah, I will. I hope it will be okay anyway. We'll see. I mean, what can happen? I can scrape it, so it doesn't really matter, does it? And if it turns out like garbage, I will scrape it. I don't have any problem with that, actually. So let's get a little bit of gold in there, and maybe just a little bit, just a little bit blue in the middle. Great. Okay. Now you can actually see that the blue is sinking in the middle. I don't know if you can see that if I put it up. Can you see? Yeah. So yeah, we'll see how it will go. I have a mess everywhere because of this. But okay, let's go for the white around, and then we'll see if I can get the hair dryer to work. And if I don't, well, I guess I have to buy a new hairdryer, or find another one. Anyway, yeah. Do you think that's enough? I have no idea. Okay, let's give it a try. Oh yeah! Yay! It worked. Oh, now let's go and see if I can get a nice painting out of this. Ooh, exciting! I'm so excited. Okay, it's not as nice as this one, I mean motive wise, but I did get the whole thing to work, and I'm so happy of that. I see the gold, I see green, the blue is absolutely beautiful. I will blow a little bit with my straw. think I actually will tilt this. No, I will not. I will blow with my straw. You learn something new all the time, don't you? And regarding to this, I did learn that I need more base color on the canvas before I actually do the pour. Yeah, I need quite a lot. I don't really like that, but yeah, I'm not going to fill a whole lot with this. I'm so happy it worked. Do I like the motive? No, nah, it's okay. Don't love it, but it's okay. Yeah, that's the word. It's okay. It's not good. It's not pretty. It's just okay actually. But I don't think I'm gonna scrape it, because I think I want to hang onto it just to learn from my mistakes actually. I mean, we do them, all of us, we do them, and that's good and that's okay. I will torch it, see if it will pop some cells. You can do this without burning down the house. There was a lot of air bubbles in it. Okay. I don't have any silicone in this, because I've understood that you don't really need that with a Dutch pour. You can have it if you want to, but I actually didn't want to. Don't know if I got a little too close with the torch. Well, it has a life of its own. It doesn't really want to do the things I want to do. We're not friends at all. I might go back to my small torch that I had, because it actually behaves like it should behave, and not like something that's about to burn down my house every time I use it. Yeah. Okay, I'll pause you and then I'll bring you down to close up. Okay, the close up. As I said before, I might have gotten a little too close with the torch just there, but I do like the green and the gold there. It kind of reminds me of the aurora. I live in the north of Sweden, so we actually do have auroras up here, and they are amazing to look at in the sky. So that really reminds me of the aurora. It's beautiful. So this is absolutely a color combination that I will try again. I'm not too big of a fan of this section at all. It's just, I don't know. I would have liked it better if I didn't have that actually. But yeah, it's going to stay there. I won't do anything about it. For a first try, fourth try, sorry, I think it's okay. I actually got the consistency kind of okay this time. I know that it's much better to have it too thin than too thick. Yeah, it's okay. What do you think, guys think? Please comment, please. I would love to have some comments on my channel. Okay. Yeah, I'll see you later. Until next time, have a nice evening. Bye.